Imagine this. It's the end of the month. You've worked hard, but when you check your bank account, it's almost empty. Where did it all go? Rent, food, that new gadget you didn't really need? Sound familiar? You're not alone. Most people in their 20s live paycheck to paycheck, trapped in a cycle that keeps wealth out of reach. But here's the good news. Breaking free starts with one simple step: budgeting. Don't click away yet. If the word budget makes you think of cutting back on everything fun, you're in for a surprise. Budgeting isn't about restrictions. It's about empowerment. And by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start building the life you want, $1 at a time. So stick with me, because point number 5 will completely change the way you look at your finances forever. Act 2, the journey. Steps to start budgeting. Step 1, define your why. Before we talk numbers, let's talk dreams. What do you really want? A new car? A house by 30? Financial freedom to travel? If you don't know why you're budgeting, you'll give up the first time a temptation comes along. Here's a quick exercise. Close your eyes and picture your ideal life 5 years from now. Does it look anything like your current situation? If not, budgeting is your roadmap to get there. Pattern interrupt. Wait, are you still picturing yourself sipping margaritas on a beach? Focus. We've got work to do. Step 2, track every dollar. Next, it's time to face the truth. For 30 days, track every single dollar you spend. Yes, every dollar, even that $7 latte. Why? Because awareness is power. Most people bleed money on things they don't even notice. If you're already cringing at the thought of seeing your Amazon history in black and white, that's a good sign. It means you're ready for change. And remember, the goal isn't judgment, it's understanding. Cliffhanger. You'll be shocked at what this simple habit reveals, so keep watching. Step 3, build a simple budget. Now that you know where your money's going, let's tell it where to go instead. Enter the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, rent, groceries, utilities. 30% for wants. Yes, you can still have fun. 20% for savings and debt. Don't overcomplicate it. Budgeting apps like YNAB or Mint make this step ridiculously easy. Pattern interrupt. And no, you don't need a spreadsheet that looks like it belongs at NASA. Keep it simple, and you'll actually stick with it. Step 4, automate your savings. Ever heard the phrase, pay yourself first? It's a game changer. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment account right after you get paid. Why automatic? Because willpower is overrated. The less you have to think about saving, the more consistent you'll be. Trust me, future. You will thank you when there's an extra zero in your bank account. Transition. Speaking of zeros, let's talk about how to protect the ones you've worked so hard to keep. Step 5, create a buffer for emergencies. Life happens, cars break down, medical bills pop up, and let's be honest, who saw 2020 coming? That's why your first financial goal should be an emergency fund, at least $1,000 to start. This isn't just a financial cushion, it's peace of mind. It's knowing that one unexpected expense won't send you into a spiral. Cliffhanger. And here's where it gets exciting, because once you have a safety net, you can start building real wealth. Stay tuned. Act 3, the resolution and call to action.
Now, let's recap. 1, define your why. 2, track every dollar. 3, build a simple budget. 4, automate your savings. 5, protect yourself with an emergency fund. Budgeting isn't just about numbers. It's about taking control of your life, breaking free from stress, and creating a future you're proud of.
If you enjoyed this video, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Join the Financial Fitness family by hitting that subscribe button.